kitchen. Hey guys, my name is Amber and this is Brunch with Burr. So today we're going to be making Burr Brunch Bacon Cups. It's a little recipe that I low-key copyrighted from tasty.com, but I decided to add my own pizzazz because I am a Michelin star cook, and we're going to be adding mango jalapeno jam to the bacon, so I can't wait for y'all to look into that. But first, can you please subscribe or like this channel if you are wanting a good tips and tricks for yummy quick breakfast meals. This will be the final product of Brunch Burr Bacon Cups, so stay tuned to learn more about this recipe. So a little bit about me. I love to hike, I love to cook, and I love dogs. Y'all want to see my babies? This is Sullivan. I just found him. He was a stray 4 weeks ago, and he loves me. Say hi. This is Aspen, my first child. Say hi, Mama. I love her so much. I got Aspen when she was 3 months old, and it was forever love. Oh, I love you, Mama. Now this, come here, buddy. I don't know if you can see it. Hold on. This is Bodie. This is my boyfriend's dog, and he's a pit bull husky, and he's quite a handful. Okay. Oh, all right. Those are technically the loves of my life. I love dogs so much. I love them. I don't know what I would do without dogs, to be honest. Another thing that's special in my life is Cameron. Say hi, Cameron.
Hello.
This is my first video, and so I'm just giving everyone an introduction of things that are important to me. Okay, so for Burr's Bacon Cups / tasty.com, you need 6 slices of bacon. You need 6 eggs. Oh no, we ain't doing 6 eggs. This would be a perfect recipe for everyone that took 12 carton of eggs at the grocery store for coronavirus. I'm gonna do 4 eggs, 2 less, so I can have eggs in 2021. Let's see. You need 1/4 of shredded cheese. You need your salt and pepper, and not to top it off, some green onions. Look at my little dish. It's so cute. Pioneer woman at me. And let's see. Mango habanero jam. This is a jam that I was talking about. The pinch that Brunch with Burr will be doing with tasty.com's looks like delectable recipe, so we're gonna find out. I got this jam at the farmer's market, and as you could see, I'm obsessed. I love it so much. It's really good. It's really sweet, but it has a nice tang at the end. So let's see. Oh, and one more thing. Your muffin tin. You're gonna need that. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do, what it says on tasty.com, is I laid out 5 pieces of bacon, and I'm going to lather it with the mango habanero jam. And then after that, I'm going to cut it in slices because it said that if you want the nice crunchy bacon cup, you need to put it in, you need to wrap 1/2 and 1/2 at the bottom so it can make like an actual cup to hold the egg. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay guys, so once you've cut your bacon in half and you've lathered it with whatever jam you desire, you're going to use 1/2 as the base, and you're going to use the second half as the cup to just cup it around. Now afterwards, we're going to get all of our eggs, and we're going to just crack it in the middle and just let it sit. So let's get that started. Alright guys, so once you've cracked your eggs, it should look like this. Trying not to tilt it so it doesn't ooze all over. But now what you can do is you can add your chives, salt and pepper, and your cheese on top. Okay, they are looking bomb. Now, I know I didn't show you the process, and I'm so sorry. I was just hoping that you could do it verbally. Because I need to make sure, I talk so much, so I'm just trying to make sure that I can make this video as short as possible so y'all don't have to suffer. But this is what your final product should look like. What I did is added the egg, salt and pepper, sprinkled it on all of it, added the cheese on all of it, added the chives. Very simplistic. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to take our beautiful creation and we're going to throw it up in that oven for 15 minutes, I think, at 350. You think I would know this because it's on thetasty.com? But I don't feel like looking it up and I just feel like guessing. So, 15 minutes, 350 heat in the oven. Let's do this! Alexa, set timer for 15 minutes.
15 minutes, starting now.
Thank you. Well, now while you wait, have a little Chardonnay to start that day. I just can't open it. Babe, can you open this for me?
Do what now?
Can you open this for me? Blink, 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 blink. Just kidding. Not a lot. Ugh. 15 minutes is forever, it feels like. Alright guys, here is the final product. It looks very yummy. I will say one thing though, getting them out was hell. I didn't know how to pop them out. So what I did end up doing is using a spoon to just scoop them out. I did lose one in the process. It just kind of unraveled. And I think that's just the only fear is it unraveling because you want it to look beautiful like this. But other than that, it looks really good. And I can smell all the flavors coming together. So I can't wait to enjoy this. I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up again. Subscribe me. We can cook together and learn something new. And yeah. Alright, thanks for watching Brunch with Burr. Bye!